guys, what's going on? It's Chris down here at the Statesville Mel Vapes coming at you with another product video. And today we have Randy's famous wired rolling papers. Now these are going to be great for all your legal dry herbs. Basically what's special about these is they have a little wire. And so what's nice is once you start smoking your dry herb cigarette, once the roll goes down to where it's hard to hold on, it's getting hot, it's burning, you can bend that little wire and use that to hold the legal herb cigarette. And so really handy, really nice. If you don't like using those like holding it by the little end of it. But we also have them in a hemp and a classic, regular paper. But yeah, both of them have wires in there, so really nice, really cool, and work great. So if this interests you guys, come on down, check them out. I'll see you around.